Welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English Objective Past Question. Question number 72. And the instruction to this question says choose the word that is the most suitable to fill the numbered gaps in the passage. And to question number 72, we coined out this expression: besides the ignorance of the drivers, most of the vehicles that ply our roads are not dash. Besides the ignorance of the drivers, most of the vehicles that ply our roads are not dash. Now, A option A said road friendly, B said road worthy, C streetwise, D said road tested. Remember that this question is coined out from what we call registered, from our English topic registered, and the register here is from transportation, so don't forget that transportation. So, and that's why we're talking of road use. So option A said road friendly. Road friendly cannot be our correct option in this expression, because we cannot say that most of the vehicles that ply our roads are not road friendly. No, of course, most of the drivers that go into transportation travel days in, days out, passing the same road. Then two, we cannot say road tested. Then three, we cannot say streetwise. But it is correct and grammatically sound when we say most of the vehicles that ply our roads are not roadworthy. Yes, because most of the time the drivers shows lackadaisical attitude while driving, and most of the time they don't even check their car before putting it on the road, maybe after used for a particular day. Then once you just notice that they just ply the road without checking, maybe is a tire or the four tires were fixed, or there's a knot that is loosed that they need to knot well, or there's a need to replace water or brake oil and all this. So that is, so option B is our correct option. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.